Hello, and a wonderful ONPASSIVE day to you. Welcome. This is a series about leadership traits, especially as they relate to Mr. Mufareh and ONPASSIVE. But these traits are also applicable to all leaders in that they're needed to maximize our success as entrepreneurs or even for our personal sustainability. Now, this is the third video in the series, and it's an easy one because most of us see it from ASH day in and day out. And I'm talking about the leadership trait that's called innovative approach. Now, having an innovative approach means embracing, if you will, a mindset that encourages creativity, experimentation, bold thinking in a way to develop new and improved solutions, and new ways of putting them out or making them available in ways that are often very disruptive. Obviously, disruption is no stranger to Mr. Mufareh. He's introduced innovative technologies and business models that disrupt traditional industries before. Of course, other companies do this as well, but specific to ONPASSIVE, we can break the innovative approach that Mr. Mufareh's got into several different components. One of them is experimentation, risk-taking, right? We see this by the way that ASH encourages exploration in a way of new ideas and technologies and methods. Even if they don't render, an immediate result, he's always doing stuff like that. He's tweaking this, or, he's beefing that up. And he's repeatedly said that he's never going to release a product until it's ready. And, we can pretty much go by that. There's also disruptive thinking. That's another part of the innovation trait in leadership. And I'll tell you, that man seems to forever be challenging the conventional approaches and assumptions, always looking for new ways to revolutionize industries and create new markets even. Now, Mr. Mufareh's initiative is, wow, I mean, the guy never tires, right? And his innovative approach also reflects his ability to acquire or use interdisciplinary collaboration. I guess it simply means that he's combining a lot of different expertise to develop the solutions that he develops. Things like, AI and data sciences and design and ethics and, using experts. And the solutions that he develops as a result are rather holistic. In other words, you get everything that you need and they all work together for an entire system. Another component in the category would be ASH's emphasis on R&D. It's called, a mindset of investing in research and development as part of leadership, exploring emerging technologies and best practices, and then applying them to real-world problems. And that's the fundamental way he decides what solutions to develop, by figuring out where the need is and then filling that need. Now, something else that we've seen over the years is his agile development and repetition model. And by that, I mean that he's got a knack for quickly developing systems and prototypes for digital and physical products. Then he does the testing and refine solutions, in response to changing landscapes in a way. And we know the drill. We've heard it so many times, right? You develop, you test, you tweak, you test, you scale it, you test, and back to the drawing board. So we know what that's about. We've also seen him soliciting input from a wide range of sources, customers, partners, industry experts, and stuff like that. And man, I mean, how many times has he gotten ideas from the member base and used them in the beta testing or developmental scenarios, right? And by using these diverse perspectives, he's able to shape his innovative solutions through some very well-rounded perspectives, if you will, and that's where it counts. So Mr. Mufareh is also a huge supporter, and I might say that's putting it mildly, of AI-driven innovation. Another, in my opinion, core attribute or component of leadership is that innovative mindset for AI-driven technology, and anyone that's ever spent any time listening to him is going to hear about AI in one form or another pretty quickly. Now, leveraging AI capabilities such as machine learning and natural process languaging to create novel solutions is right up his alley. He's been doing it for a while, as they say, you know. Well, yeah, he's been doing it for years. Now, considering what he's created in the ecosystem, that really shouldn't be a surprise for anybody. But in light of all this, it should also go without saying that he loves the whole idea of digital transformation, which is simply applying AI and IT applications and technology to transform traditional industries and business models. So another thing that is included in this innovative mindset, if you will, is what's called intrapreneurship. Not, you know what entrepreneurship is, but intrapreneurship may be a new term for some of us. It just means that he encourages the internal innovation through dedicated teams, programs, labs, those sorts of things. And to see this in spades, we only have to think about the innovation labs that he's got running, right? And the last thing I'm going to mention today, as part of the innovational prowess of his leadership, if you will, if I could say it like that, is his partnerships and the collaborations that he's got going on. And we know, you know, Mr. Mufareh has been engaging in strategic partnership building for at least the last couple of years to co-create innovative solutions and drive industry-wide progress. So there we have it. That's today's video. And through these type of innovative approaches, Mr. Mufareh and ONPASSIVE is creating some pretty groundbreaking solutions that's soon going to be driving growth for the entire company and will continually shape its future as part of global economics. I hope you have enjoyed this. Remember, take what resonates with you, let the rest go, and also remember to like, share, and subscribe. I would appreciate that. The next video that we talk about is going to be on Ash's work ethic, right? Another arrow in the quiver of leadership, if you will. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have an absolutely awesome, awesome ONPASSIVE day. Thanks.